Today we shall discuss about uniform distribution. A random variable capital X is said to be uniformly distributed over the interval minus infinity less than a less than b less than infinity if its density function is given by f of x equal to 1 divided by b minus a, where x lies in between a less than x less than b. The mean for the uniform distribution is given by mu equal to a plus b divided by 2, and the variance for the uniform distribution is given by sigma square equal to a minus b whole square divided by 12, otherwise b minus a whole square divided by 12. Now we shall see an example in uniform distribution. A random variable capital X has a uniform distribution over minus 3, 3. Find k for which p of x greater than k equal to 1 by 3. Also evaluate p of x less than 2 and p of modulus of x minus 2 less than 2. First we have to find out the k value. For that, first we have to write down the density function f of x and find out the f of x here. We know that in uniform distribution, the probability density function is f of x equal to 1 by b minus a. Here a value is minus 3 and b value is plus 3. So we will write f of x equal to 1 divided by b minus a. This is equal to 1 by 3 minus of minus 3. It is equal to 1 by 6. Now we have to find out k. So first we have to evaluate this one. That is p of x greater than k. This can be written as 1 minus p of x less than or equal to k. So this is equal to 1 minus integration minus 3 to k f of x dx. So this is equal to 1 minus integration minus 3 to k f of x means 1 by 6 into dx. So which implies 1 minus 1 by 6 into x. Here the limits are minus 3 to k. So 1 minus 1 by 6 into upper limit value is k minus lower limit. So minus of minus is plus. That is k plus 3 divided by 6. This is to be taken as equation 1. Now given that is p of x greater than or greater than k equal to 1 by 3. This is equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we will equate these two terms, that is 1 minus 1 by 6 into k plus 3 equal to 1 by 3. So which implies 1 minus k by 6 minus 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. So implies minus k by 6 equal to 1 by 3 plus 3 by 6 means it is 1 by 3. So 1 by 2. Next one is minus 1. So which implies minus k by 6 equal to, here the LCM is 6. So you will get 2 plus 3 minus 6. So minus k by 6 equal to, so minus 1 by 6. Here 6 get cancelled, minus get cancelled. So which implies k equal to 1. Now we will find out P of x less than 2. So P of x less than 2 equal to, here the interval is starts from minus 3 onwards. So integration minus 3 to, so 2 f of x dx. This is equal to integration minus 3 to 2 1 by 6 dx. So 1 by 6 into integration dx means x. Here the limits are minus 3 to 2. So 1 by 6 into 2 minus of minus is plus 3. So this is equal to 5 by 6. That means P of x less than 2 equal to 5 divided by 6. Next we will see this P of probability of modulus of x minus 2 less than 2. So you know that when modulus of x is less than 2 means x is lies in between plus or minus 2. So we will write this as P of minus 2 less than x minus 2 less than 2. So this is equal to, add plus 2 for this equation, P of 2 minus 2 less than x less than 2 plus 2. So which implies probability of 0 less than x less than 4. That means we have to find out the in between 0 to 4. So this is equal to integration 0 to 3 f of x dx, which implies integration 0 to 3 1 by 6 dx. So 1 by 6 into integration dx is x, limits are 0 to 3. So 1 by 6 into 3 minus 0. So it is equal to 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore probability of modulus of x minus 2 less than 2, that value equal to 1 by